Hi, I am Venkatesh. I am coming from Jaibalaji Control Gauge, Chennai. We are the manufacturer of the electromechanical switchgear items. Now you can see in my behind, we are given to display of the limit switches, plug-in sockets, rotary switches, push buttons. These are all in electromechanical items, and the electronic items we are giving manufacture the LED indicating lamps, tower lights, sensors, timers, timer with counters, and zero speed switches. All the electronics item we are coming to manufacturing here. We have in nearly 450 dealers in all over in India. Each and every states we have here 3 or 4 dealers in here.